Hi, I'm Sammy. I don't just cook to impress, I cook to live to eat. Today I'm gonna cook bulgogi, most demanding recipe. The bulgogi is translated in Korea, fire meat. Normally we cook this bulgogi on a grills, sometimes frying pan, char grill, barbecue, but today I want to show you how to cook at home with a very simple cooking method on the frying pan. A couple of weeks ago, I found a very good part of the beef, very affordable, $16 per kilo. It's called bola blade cut. So I want to show you today how to cook with this nice beef and then very Korean recipe. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna talk about this story for when I was young. The beef here in Australia, you guys quite blessed because you go bush everywhere, cows, black Angus, Wagyus, everywhere. I was blown away when I first time came to Australia. But when I was young, beef was quite expensive, Japanese have Wagyu, Japanese very well-treated beef, and then they got a lot of marbles and, very tender. In Korea, we also have a Hanwoo. Korea is very small land, so we also have a very special treat there. And it means beef was very expensive, the meat for Korea. My family, we don't eat everyday meat, Also, maybe once in a week, maybe twice in a week if you're lucky. Because the cost of the beef is not everybody can afford it every day. So I'll pick this bola blade cut. So I'm gonna use this one. And then now I have this one, this monster sliced very thinly, because most important, because we're not gonna chuck on this one barbecue, we're going to cook on the fry pan. I'm sure you don't have this monster every household. Again, if you want to make these dishes, maybe you need to put your effort to go Chinatown. They're already prepared. You can go butcher, you can go Asian supermarket. They normally have this thinly cut beef for Chinese hot pot or Korean grocery have for bulgogi purpose. You can get it easily. Okay, let's slice it. Look at this is very good beef. Look at the marbles. So we have about 1.4 kilo beef here. It's gonna be a lot of beef stir fry making bulgogi. You save your money. That's what we need. Time to marinate. I have around 100 ml of soy sauce here into the bowl. Sometimes some chefs, they go all the marinade stuff into the meat, but sometimes I don't trust my feeling. So I always want just make the sauce separately and then you taste it. This is what I learned to training all my chefs and then make a consistent quality in the restaurant. So you try this. And we got salt components here and then soy sauce, of course, natural umami flavor, and then sugar. 2 tablespoons. And this is a Korean cooking syrup. If you don't have cooking syrup, just put an extra sugar, okay? Don't try to put honey, because this dishes is not a honey chicken dishes, guys. Follow recipe, okay? And then also garlic, because I show you all my knife skill last time, all the few videos. So I prepare already minced garlic. Let's say 2 tablespoons. Generous amount, 2 tablespoons. And then also I love to using this Nash pear. Pear got natural, enzyme to tenderize, breaking down all the muscles, big top muscles. So it helps tenderize meat. Okay, now I'm gonna add some water. It's around 100 ml. I put it into the bowl. Stir, stir, stir. Let me taste it. I'm gonna put one more component. I'm gonna put mirin, around tablespoon, just a little bit of salt. And this is my key ingredient for my beef bulgogi. When you're cooking, you watching cooking show, they always say just fresh grained, pepper. I think it's good, but if you want to have an authentic flavor, this is what I'm using it. Every time I smell of this pepper, I feel like I've always remember the moment I'm eating in Korea. It's already pre-grained pepper. It's something, you always remember this smell. Let me taste one more. It's perfect. Now we're going to give you a good massage. So all the sauce is balanced well. I'm gonna put into the big bowl on the meat, give you a good mix. Okay, while I'm preparing vegetable, I'm gonna leave it this one in the fridge for 10 minutes. Okay, now fun part, chop, chop, chop. Asian food, chopping, all about chopping. Okay, I'm gonna cut very thinly slice this onion. Carrot. And then mushroom. I know we all have so much drama in Australia, this freaking mushroom thing, but this mushroom's actually safe. Okay, you are safe. You get it? So I cut the mushroom similar size of carrot, spring onion. This beef dish is cooked probably less than 10 minutes, maybe around 5 minutes. So now I'm heating up the frying pan. This is my favorite frying pan. It's very thick bottom. It keeps all the heat. You know, when you cook meat, this is very good because they don't lose in heat straight away. So I gave you a little treatment here on the frying pan surface. I'm just coating with the oil. Okay, it's very quick processing. So we got meat ready. Wear gloves. Make sure how hungry you are, but you don't put too much meat onto it at the same time. Whoa, smells good. This is happy sound. And this stage, I'm gonna put carrot, onion, mushroom. Before I put all the vegetable, only put meat, and the meat's gotta, you wanna have a look, come here, look at this. They got a golden brown, you know. So now you stir fry, it gives you very full of element of, you know, meat. Little bit burn, you know, soft and vegetable, and then now the water is coming from all the vegetable, and then we're gonna stir fry. I cook about 3 minutes, and then my cameraman just asking question, how are we gonna get the thin sliced beef? I say, if you wanna get a result, move your ass to the Chinatown, get a thin sliced beef. He was going to get beef means, come on, they're gonna give me stroke. Just do the right thing. Okay, now I cook about 4 minutes, it's ready. I'm gonna serve these dishes. Sesame oil, this is magic, spring onion, and then of course sesame seed. You know, you look at it. This is the moment I love cooking. Let me try this one. Yeah! I made it. It's very delicious. You know, the point of this beef, because we don't using fancy, dancy cuts, you have to thinly, very slightly. Probably that's the hardest part. But again, you can try very sharp knife. If you have a slicer in your home, you can use it. If you don't have it, just go Asian grocery. The beef still is succulent. The mushroom also have a lot of juice. It's delicious. Don't forget, like and subscribe. You know what? I have a 246 subscribe now. I think it's amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Today we made a bulgogi. What do you say? I don't just cook to impress. I cook to live. Live to eat!